and ancient Egypt. Life after the death. Egyptians believed that when they died, soul would travel to the underworld. They called this world Duat, and it was the place of many that was to be overcome if the soul survived. It would enter the heavenly afterlife, wooden over by the god Osiris. Goodbye.